Alright, so once you remove the carpet, you can have access to the Sirius radio module. This is going to be on the driver's side, left quarter panel. And then there's the amp, the radio amplifier. So it's under, right behind the carpet. Alright, so we're going to remove this side bracket. We're using 10mm socket. Just make sure you catch all the screws, obviously. We're not going to be reusing it, so we're just dropping it. You don't have to disconnect this one to take out the amp. We're just moving it aside to get to the screw behind it, or the nut, 10mm. We're going to be using T25 Torx. I'm going to move the harness aside. And I would recommend you disconnect the battery before messing with this stuff. You don't have to remove the harness off yours. You could just flip the bracket over and just unscrew it from the back. Just make sure you disconnect it all. So this is the radio amplifier.